5-year-olds are inquisitive and eager to play, which is why it can be tricky to find the right toy for their developmental level. The best 5-year-old toys get them moving or interacting to keep them interested and engaged, but also learning. These 5 toys have been chosen because they can help your 5-year-old develop and hit their milestones while having fun. Most of the toys on this list are great for children beyond age 5 as well, making them great investments for years of fun. Check out all products links in the description below. Best toys for 5-year-olds on wheels. Number 1. Kuda 2-in-1 Kick Scooter. 5-year-olds are always on the move, and this scooter was designed with their age and energy in mind. The wheels light up, which is pretty exciting for your little one. As for their safety, the deck is wide to help them stay balanced. The scooter also has a Grow With Me feature that allows younger children to ride the scooter with a seat, and as they get older and can balance, the seat can be removed, turning the toy into a full-size scooter. Number 2. Fun Zone Dual Twister. Although it is not quite on wheels, this simple spinning toy provides hours of entertainment. We've included it in this category since it is still a moving toy and helps your kiddo learn the mechanics of steering. The child sits on the platform and uses the steering wheel to spin themselves as fast or as slow as they like. This toy can build independence and is a source of endless fun. Another bonus, when playing outside you can turn this into a water toy. Number 3. Joystar Kids Bike with Training Wheels. Both 5-year-old boys and girls are ready to start riding a bike on their own. The Joystar Kids Bike has all the features necessary for a new rider. The seat is very easy to adjust and there are stabilizing training wheels. It is also designed to be both simple and durable, meaning it can last through the bumps of a new learner. And guess what? It comes 85% pre-assembled. Woohoo for not trying to figure out where all the nuts and bolts go while your 5-year-old pesters you. Number 4. 3 Indiana 1 Pop-Up Play Tent. Any 5-year-old would love to have their own personal ball pit, tunnel, and tent. This toy is easy to assemble and helps turn any play space into an interactive fun zone. The tent, tunnel, and ball pit all pop up and fold down for storage. The ball pit balls are included, making this a great toy straight out of the box. So it is easy setup and will keep your kiddo entertained for hours. 2 huge wins in my book. Number 5. Fanstech Water Doodle Mat. For a fun twist on the traditional drawing on paper, give the magic water drawing mat a try. Children can have fun with water markers drawing on the mat for big fun. This mat is big enough for 4 children to draw at once and folds up for easy storage between uses. There are 2 themes to choose from, alphabet or animal. Check out all products links in the description below. Thanks for watching.